Time news this evening. Under attack, terrified residents plead for help as blood-hungry dogs plague their community. Stakeholders at odds over how to discipline tardy students in schools. And taxi driver in horror hit and run pleads guilty to multiple charges. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, workers in the energy sector to benefit from more training, but why? I'll tell you later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Jeremy for what's coming up in sports.
Thanks, Herman. Well, you know, Herman, as you in the army, you have the about turn, right? Well, it would seem the JFF has done one as it relates to the Reggae Girls head coach, Hugh Menzies. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
You were in the army?
No, I wasn't.
All right. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what else can schools do instead of locking out students who are late or break the dress code?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.